Now, the margarita is easily the most popular cocktail on the planet. And because of this, there are tons of variations and riffs on the drink. But at its core, a margarita should always be simple, fresh, and clean. And I say simple because a margarita actually only has 3 ingredients. And those are tequila, orange liqueur, and lime juice. So if you want to make a great margarita, you've got to consider these ingredients, starting with the tequila. Now with tequila, you've got a few options. You could go with a silver tequila, and silver tequilas are unaged, so they still have a lot of agave flavor and a sharpness that will hold up to the other ingredients in a margarita, but they can be a little bit rough, and they also lack some of the character that you could get from an añejo tequila or an aged tequila. Añejo tequilas can be richer and more complex and even smoother, but because of the aging process, they can lose some of that agave flavor that you really want in a margarita. So I like to use Reposado. And Reposado simply means rested because it's aged but not quite as long as an añejo. So it maintains some of that agave sharpness, but it also picks up some of the nuance and characteristics and the softness through the aging process. Whatever tequila you want to use is up to you, but this sits in the Goldilocks zone, and this is what I think makes the best margarita. Now for the orange liqueur, I like to use Cointreau. And Cointreau is the sweetener that was used in the original margarita recipe. Now it's actually a type of triple sec, but it's a premium brand triple sec. It has a deeper orange and brighter citrusy aspect to it, and it also has a higher alcohol content. And I find it to be cleaner tasting than some of the other triple secs that you might find out there. I know there's a lot of opinions about which orange liqueur to use in a margarita, but honestly, if you're going for simple, fresh, and clean, Cointreau is the best, in my opinion. And our last ingredient is our lime juice. And obviously we're going for fresh, so we are gonna use fresh squeezed lime. Always, always, always use fresh squeezed lime. Stay away from the store-bought jarred juice. It's never as bright, and it often has like preservatives in it. And never, ever, ever use margarita mix. There's no reason to use margarita mix. I mean, all it takes is about 1 lime, and that's enough to make 1 drink. So no excuses. Always use fresh squeezed lime. So that's it. 3 simple ingredients: tequila, Cointreau, and fresh squeezed lime juice. That's all you need to make a great margarita. Now before we build this drink, let's talk about salt. If you're gonna salt your rim, always salt your rim before you make the drink. That way, when you're ready to pour out the drink, you're not wasting any time salting a glass, and the drink will be as fresh as possible. So the way that I like to do it is to just grab a plate and some big flake sea salt, and then just sprinkle it onto the plate. Grab your margarita glass and just rim the outside of about half the glass, and then roll it gently on the salt. And now you'll end up with a glass that has salt on one portion and no salt on the other. And so, you know, if you want salt, you got it. If you don't, you're good to go. It's that easy. Now we'll just set that aside and grab ourselves a mixing tin, because margaritas should always be shaken. And to begin, we will add 2 ounces of Reposado Tequila to the mixing tin, 1 ounce of Cointreau. I can already smell the orange notes from that. And then we will juice a lime. I better cut an extra one just in case these aren't juicy. These are little limes. These are really, really tiny limes. And we'll add 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Ice it up. And then we'll give it a solid shake for about 15 or 20 seconds. And you really want to shake this briskly and hard. You want to aerate it really well and get it nice and light and bright. Then we'll grab our glass. And once you've got all your ice in your glass, just strain the cocktail off. Oh yeah, that looks like it would be good on a hot day. And to garnish, we'll just use a fresh lime. I like to use wedges because you can squeeze them you know, I've seen wheels, they look cool, but you can't, you know, you can't squeeze a wheel. So I like to give somebody something they can actually squeeze and get some juice out of. Anyway, that right there is a margarita. You know, you'd think it'd be so tart with that lime in there, but the Cointreau balances that out, and you get that really deep orange aspect when you bring it up to your nose. It's light and bright and citrusy, but you can also taste that alcohol. The Reposado is the perfect balance between, you know, the agave and then the sort of subtle complexity of aged tequila. I think this is exactly what a margarita should be. Simple, fresh, clean, and if you're gonna make a margarita, always start here. I don't have a whole lot else to say about this, so we're on to the next drink. Until next time, cheers.